that boy can cook in a place, in your face. And today I want to show you how to do a quick and simple French toast. It's early in the morning, I'm craving some French toast. So hey, let me show you how to make a French toast. Now let's get to it. All right, as you can see, this is what we need right here for this quick and simple French toast. We got your vanilla extract, we got your cinnamon and sugar, we got your eggs, we got your butter, and we got your Texas toast. I have all the measurements in the description, so no worries about that. All right, let's move on. All righty, real quick, I did forget to mention our 1/3 cup of milk. Forgive me. All right, so now we're just going to just give our eggs a quick whisk. All right, let's add our milk. Let's add our pure vanilla. Give it a whisk. All right, and let's add our cinnamon and sugar. Just like that. There we go. That's it right there. Alrighty. Oh, I still had something there. Let's add all of it. And there we have it. This is going to be our French toast batter right here. Right. Now let's just heat our griddle. We're gonna get our griddle warm, and then we're gonna butter that boy up. All right, our griddle is hot. Let's go ahead and add our butter, and kind of keep the butter where you're gonna put your toast. You don't wanna have butter all over and it's just burning. And give your eggs a mix, so you can let the cinnamon and sugar, because it tends to float at the top. So we're just gonna dip it. There we go. We're just gonna lay that boy in there. Don't let it cook. Then you can take your pan, just move your butter around if you want. And just so my French toast have butter on both sides, I go ahead and flip it. I cook that side and I flip it back over and finish cooking it. All right, let's get another one on there, y'all. Let me show you how to do it. Once again, butter. What's the egg again? And dip your toast. 1, 2. There you go. Make sure it's all the way coated. There we go. Thinking I can squeeze 2 on here, so let's test it out and see if I'm lying to myself. Go like that. Good. Like it fits to me. It fits to me. All right, let's see what we have. This is the first one. There it is. There we go. Just a second. quick and easy French toast recipe. Very simple, very quick, very easy, very delicious. I'm going to finish the rest of these up. We're going to plate it up, and I will be right back at you. Okay, let's go ahead and finish this last one together. Alrighty. So, as before, butter. Whisk your eggs. Let's dip our toast. And there we go. All the way up. And ready to go. And let's just cook this one together real quick, y'all. Want to, family, what I do, sometimes I can just have a little cinnamon and sugar mix here. Just hit it at the top if you like your sugary and cinnamon. There we go. Same thing to that side while it's hot. There it is. Very simple, very easy, very delicious. Like I say, that boy can cook. Smelling good, looking good, and it's about to be good. All right, be back at you. All right, now we got our French toast. In. Let's dig in. Better than any restaurant. Quick and easy, save you a lot of money, and satisfy your taste buds all at once. Man, if you like this recipe and you want to see more, think about subscribing to the channel. Hit the like button, make sure you hit the notification bell so you know what we're doing when we're doing it. That boy can cook, out the place, out your face. I'm about to go enjoy